my name is Melanie Sampson. I have been studying physical rehabilitation at Montmorency College for almost 2 years. In this program, we learn anatomy and the functioning of the joints. After that, we learn how to evaluate and treat patients. The goal of this program is to give the maximum of the capacities of the patient. I am going to show you a very interesting website to people that are working in physiotherapy. The name of the website that I am going to show you is called Physiotec. Sometimes when you work in physiotherapy, you have to give an exercise plan to your patient to treat their injury. An injury is defined by an applied to damage the body by an external force. In general, in physiotherapy, patients had a lot of difficulties remembering their exercises, or they do some exercise in a bad way. This website is going to solve this problem. First of all, you have to type in the address bar www.physiotec.ca. After that, you have to type your username and your password at the top of screen in the middle. When you are done with this, you have to click on the word client in the navigation menu. This section of the website gives you the possibility to create a folder for your patient. You write the first name and the last name of your patient. When you are done, you can click on the Save button. It is now the time to create your exercise plan. Before that, you have to click on the button in the top left corner of the screen to choose which category of patient you have. In this example, I am going to choose the orthopedic category. To add an exercise to your exercise plan, all you have to do is to select all the criteria for your exercise. For example, I will create an exercise to strengthen the quadriceps. The quadriceps is the muscle in the front of your thigh. And strengthen means to develop a muscle. The muscle will be bigger and stronger. After that, you choose the body part that you want, the movement that the muscle does, the objective of the exercise, and if you want, you can choose the position that you want the exercise will be done. The extension of the knee is to unfold the knee. You have choose all the criteria. You have to click on the search button at the top of screen in the middle. Then you are going to see a list of exercises with all the criteria that you have chose. When you want to add an exercise to your exercise plan, all you have to do is to click on the exercise, look at the description, if it is correct. If not, you can modify it. After that, you click on the button Assign to Program. Now you can add the parameters to your exercise. When you have done, you click on the exercise and on the button selected at the right-hand side of the screen. If you want to add other exercises, all you have to do is to click on the button Add Exercises, and you will do the same process to add an exercise. When you are done, make sure that you click on the Save button to save your work. Another useful option of the website is the Print button at the top left corner of the screen. As you can see, this website has the possibility to solve the initial problem. With this website, the patient will receive an exercise plan with all the details and pictures that he has to have to do his exercises at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!